Hey everybody, welcome to the 4th day of Halloweek. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spiderweb bowl out of wire. So let's get started. You'll need thick wire, about 16 to 14 gauge, and I also suggest using 2 types of wire. A little bit of galvanized steel wire, and then mostly aluminum wire. If you can only get one of those, then I would say get the aluminum. The steel makes a good base to start with, but it's a lot stiffer, so it can be pretty difficult to twist around later. You'll also need thin wire. Again, I'm not sure what gauge this is. It's probably like 20, 22. It's just jewelry wire. You don't need too much of this, just enough to secure the wires in the beginning of the weaving process. Wire cutters, pliers, a file, black spray paint, fake spiders, and E6000 or hot glue. Cut 4 pieces of steel wire 16 inches long. Place these 2 and 2 perpendicular to each other. Now take the thinner wire and start wrapping around the thick wires to secure it as it is. Start by bringing the wire around in an X, like so. Unravel some of the aluminum and place it along with some of the wire like so. And then start to go around, going over 2, under 3, over 2, under 3, etc., repeating a couple of times. And once you've done this a couple times, spread the big wires out. For this next part, the part of the aluminum that is still attached to the rest of the roll should be treated like basically it's not there. Just act like it's part of the wire that it's right next to. Continue with the thinner wire, going above and below the wires. And again, when you get to the aluminum wire that's still attached to the rest of the roll, pretend that it's a piece of the wire next to it and go either over or under the 2 wires at once. Repeat this until it feels super nice and secure. I felt pretty good here, but my wire was almost all used up, so I just decided to keep going to use the rest of this wire up. When you're done, cut the wire and then tuck the ends of the wire under. Now take the aluminum wire roll and start to work around the spokes, wrapping it around the wires as you get to them. I would wrap it over, around, under, and back over, which should make the loopy bit on the outside of the bowl. You can use pliers to help make sure that the loop is nice and tight and won't move around. Keep going and it should start to look like a spiderweb. Also, I would suggest wrapping the wire more closely than I did here. I didn't have much aluminum as I wanted to, so I spaced it out more to get the size bowl that I wanted. I wasn't really thinking about how most candies could easily slip right through. Oops. Oh well. It still works out in the end. Gradually bend the spokes around gently so that it starts to form a bowl shape. So once you get to the height that you want, cut the wire and then bend it around. Then go around and snip off any excess wire from the spokes and then bend them down. Use a file to knock down any sharp edges. Then paint the bowl. I'm using a flat black Rust-Oleum paint here. Once it's dry, use some E6000, or you could probably even use hot glue to attach a few spiders. And then the bowl is done. Now just fill the bowl up with candy, or try to, or fill it up with whatever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like. Feel free to subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. If you have any questions or suggestions for future Halloweek videos for next year, then please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much to my patrons for helping me produce this series. If you are interested in becoming a patron or learning about what Patreon is, I'll leave a link to mine right up here and you can go check it out. You can follow me on all of my social media, which will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys for the very last day of Halloweek tomorrow.